Okay, we've got a toilet flange that is broken on both sides here. So what we're going to do is use a flange repair ring to secure this to the floor and make it where the toilet doesn't rock back and forth. So I'm going to leave the bolts in there where they were at and put the ring down over the top. What we're going to do is I'm going to caulk the ring, the back side of the ring, and set it on here, and then we will drill the holes out to put these tapcon screws in. We're on a concrete floor here, so we're going to use tapcon concrete anchor screws to screw it down. So if you're on a wooden floor, you could use some wood screws to secure this down. You're just going to use something pretty substantial to hold it in there. I'm not sure that it's completely necessary to caulk this whole thing, but I would rather it not leak. So we're going to go ahead and do it anyway. When you put the wax ring down over the top of this, it will squish the wax in around the edge of it, which should keep it from leaking. But just to make it as secure as possible, I thought caulk is pretty cheap, so we'll use them. All right. Okay, once you got that positioned on there where you want it, we're going to drill some holes to put our tapcons in. So once you've got all your holes drilled, you can add your tapcon screws to hold the metal ring down. I'm going to go ahead and do the last two, and then we'll be ready to set the toilet back on here.